Hello friends, welcome to welcome back to Bihar Farm. Today I wanted to share with my simple journey in natural farming from the heart of Dosaludki village. So tractor work is going on right now. I am doing a tractor work. This is important part of preparation of the land. We are cleaning the field, removing the weed, leftover grass from the last crop. So he is doing with the music. Can you see? So this helps the soil breathe and get ready from the next season. It rained a lot last week, but the sky is very clear now. The land is fresh and smell of wet. The soil is truly beautiful. So at Viham Farm, we follow a natural zero budget farming. This means we don't use chemical fertilizers or harmful pesticides. So we use cow dung, Jivamrut, and natural methods to grow healthy crop. So it is simple, local, and good for earth. Our aim is not just farming; is to heal the soil, protect water, and support life. So nature is our greatest teacher. When we take care of nature, nature takes care of us. The climate change is real, but small steps in our farms can bring big changes. So every drop of rain, every plant we grow naturally helps reduce pollution and environment. If you are watching this, I invite you to think about farming not just as a profession but as a way of life. So let's go back to our roots. Natural farming is good for health, soil, and future generations. Even if you have a small piece of land or even a few pots, you can grow something naturally. Let's work with nature, not against it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe to the support this journey. Let's grow food, let's grow nature, let's grow hope from the village Dosalodiki. This is Vihan Farm. See you in the next video. Jai Kisan.